Danke bafethu, welcome back to Nkulisokha. Ngicela ningakhohlwa ukusubscribe bafethu, ni-like. Kaizer Chiefs bafethu kune-crisis, kunenkinga of the problem ku-striking department. Ngibheke amarekhodi we-striker laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs. I'm not impressed at all. I-striker eziwu-7 engizokhuluma ngazo lapha ku-Kaizer Chiefs, uSilva, uMorris, uBatman, uDuba, uMayo, Ighodaro, uDupreez. So bane-striker eziwu-7 but ezingaba-saver ziwu-2 kuphela ezinerekhodi eli-right elincomekayo uma ulibheka. Asiqaleni ngoSilva. USilva udlalela ama-team awu-13. So imagine, think about leyo nto leyo nje kuqala bafethu, ukuthi lo muntu udlalela ama-team awu-13. 13 teams mangikhawunta ne-under 19 yalaphana ePortugal because of kuBenfica uke wadlala naku-B. So mangikhawunta wonke ama-team wakhe awu-13 awadlalelile. Nali irekhodi lakhe bafethu. Irekhodi lakhe lase-Europe, udlale ama-match awu-55 wakora amagoli ayi-9. Kwamanye ama-European countries or laphana kwelakubo Portugal or la ne-dual citizenship yakhona, khona kwenye i-team udlala ama-matches awu-44 washa amagoli awu-80 kuphela. Kwenye udlale I think then lena kula muvela khona e-Indonesia wadlala ama-match awu-33 washa amagoli awu-9. But i-big season yakhe laphana e-Indonesia noma la kule team asha amagoli khona amaningi, ushaye ku-Persik. Kula ashaye khona amagoli awu-30 adlala amagame awu-45. That's a great record, right? But sikhumbule ukuthi i-league yase-Indonesia ayifani ne-league yase-South Africa. I-Indonesia iphansi kakhulu bafethu in terms of i-level. I remember this one time ngibukela i-Indonesia, i-national team yakhona idlala ne-Fiji. Nezo bafethu, Indonesia versus Fiji, alikho ibhola lapho, but-ke waphela nge-draw. Indonesia is slightly better than i-Fiji, but you can see ukuthi hayi alikho ibhola. But anyways, simuve lapho. USilva overall irekhodi lakhe e-Europe masibheka kwamanye ama-country bafethu, isikhathi esiningi le ngibala ama-season awu-4 5 lapho kulamagoli wakhe lawa bengiwabala. But isikhathi esiningi kulama-match kulama-team lawa amanye season ukora 2 goals 1 goal 3 goals 1 phelela lapho indaba yakhe. But-ke he became more matured laphana e-Indonesia. Sobona ukuthi uzokwazi ukuyihandle i-league yase-South Africa na? That's the big question. UMorris angifuni ukukhuluma ngaye ngoba uMorris sengike ngakhuluma ngaye kwelinye iclip. UMorris una 5 goals in 5 years. I mean that's just one of the worst strikers in history of i-Kaizer Chiefs. I mean 5 goals in 5 years. Asimuveni kuMorris, angifuni nje ukuhlala kuyo. UBatman umfana omncane vele laphana bafethu ku-Kaizer Chiefs. Yena ku-Betway Premiership unamagoli awu-2 kuphela, but ku-Betway Premiership akadlalanga wonke ama-match, beka on and off laphana ku-Cape Town Spurs. That time udlala ama-match awu-9 nje kuphela. But una 2 goals. I mean that's not a bad record for umfana omncane. Angadevelopa ku-Kaizer Chiefs to the highest level, right? And then masingene kuDuba. UDuba ku-Kaizer Chiefs elikini ku-Betway Premiership udlala ama-match awu-46 games bafethu. And then una 6 goals. I mean tell me, make it make sense ukuthi uDuba uzokwazi ukurescue i-Kaizer Chiefs. The answer is no. Maybe bathanda i-strength sakhe kwamanye ama-department, but in terms of like ukusiza i-team, no. Ngamagoli ngeke akwazi ukubasiza ngamagoli. They can't rely kuye ngamagoli bathi yazini uzobashayela amagoli. And then asingeneni kuDupreez. uDupreez irecord lakhe ku-Kaizer Chiefs in 3 years bafethu, 3 years aku-Kaizer Chiefs. Ujoine nini? Yeah, I think it's 22 23 3 years and whatever and months. Unamagoli awu-12 elikini ku-Kaizer Chiefs kuphela. Since afika ku-Kaizer Chiefs uDupreez unamagoli awu-12 elikini. So imagine, elikini unamagoli awu-12 kuphela. And then kuma-cup games-ke ngathi unamagoli awu-7 or so ko-Nedbank Cup Carling siwahlanganisa wonke. So i-goal record lakhe le-poor for i-Kaizer Chiefs. Poor as i-strike. Well, maybe masikhuluma nge-versatility singakwazi ukumxolela, but-ke I don't expect this guy to solve inkinga ze-Kaizer Chiefs in terms of amagoli. And then sele ngabantu abawu-2, i-strike eziwu-2 ku-Kaizer Chiefs. Well, uHlongwane ngeke ngimbale bafethu because asikakamboni ku-professional setup. Washayela amagoli, was one of the top goal scorers laphana ku-DStv. Ku-Betway sengithi manje ku-Betway no ku-Diski TV. Hayi bo, i-Diski TV into kaJunior Khanye bafethu. Laphana ku-Diski Challenge was one of the main guys in terms of kushaya amagoli, but-ke usina team abakamniki i-opportunity. And then sele ngo-Ighodaro, sele ngoMayo. yiwo ama-option we-Kaizer Chiefs, abantu abangasolva amagoli laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs, abadlalile i-competitive football internationally and locally. U-Ighodaro soqala ngaye unamagoli awu-25 in 97 games. Angakwazi I think angakwazi ukuwashaya lawo magoli for i-Kaizer Chiefs. I mean, he's a proven goal scorer. uMayo asingeneni kurekhodi lakamayo, because for me irekhodi lakamayo ngifuna ukukhuluma ngalo kahle abantu bali-understand, bangaboni ngathi mhlampe ngizama uku-attack uMayo or ngiyamfavor. uMayo I think for me i-chance unayo ukuthi u-Kaizer Chiefs angawashaya amagoli because he's a proven goal scorer. Ku-Cape Town City ushaya amagoli ayi-29 and kuma-matches ayu-93. Sikhumbule u-Cape Town City bekangadlali i-position eyodwa ukuba yi-striker, besimbona as u-number 10, besimbona as i-wing, bekungasi i-traditional number 9 lehlala laphana ebhokisini isikhathi esiningi, no. Even nakule team yakhe le i-CR le bekayidlalela yase-Algeria bafethu, besimbona as i-striker, but i-striker esingathi i-false number 9 isikhathi esiningi, yeah. Ngoba I remember the game bebadla ngathi Orlando Pirates, yeah. So uMayo iplayer exciting kakhulu, eline-flair, eline-versatility, eliletha something to the game, but irekhodi lakhe mawubheka irekhodi lakhe lonke, because la buya khona manje is not a proven goal scorer, because udlala amagame awu-41 laphana e-Algeria, washaya amagoli awu-6 kuphela, washaya i-assist eyodwa. So on paper mawubheka le record le liphuwa for i-striker. So umuntu oshaya amagoli amancane kanje ku-41 games as i-striker or umuntu odlala forward, that's a poor record, right? But-ke I think i-Kaizer Chiefs ibambelele kule nto lena ukuthi awuke wawashaya amagoli ku-Cape Town City. I mean uyiplayer le-exciting, angifuni ukuqamba amanga. I think lena Algeria bebangamdlalisa according to strength sakhe, but-ke irekhodi lakhe laphana e-Algeria nali. Ku-league yase-Algeria udlale amalokhunjani amagame awu-27, washaya 4 goals elikini, 4 goals in 27 games. And then ku-CAF Champions League udlala amagame awu-11, washaya igoli elilodwa kuphela. And then ku-cup game yalaphana i-Coupe d'Algérie udlala amagame awu-6, washaya igoli elilodwa. So mawubheka overall irekhodi lakhe, especially e-Algeria, ayiliphuwa ngenye indlela bafowethu. I think i-value yakhe nokukhuphuka kwezinto, let's say transfer fee, whatever, based on i-Cape Town City. Umbuzo ukuthi i-Kaizer Chiefs imthole late na or usengakwazi ukuba i-main man? That's my question, but I believe in him ukuthi I think if mangibheka i-strikers laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs better compared to amanye amajita laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs. Uye umuntu masingathi siyacabanga sibona ukuthi okay, angakwazi ukuyisiza i-team, right? But udinga abantu around yena bazokwazi ukudlala kahle naye, bazi ukuthi bamfida kanjani, ama-droppers, ama-anticipation, cause I watched the game yabo le e-CAF laphana e-Congo. Kumele ahambe ayotholela ibhola, nkosi yami, azame ukukhombana nama-midfielders. I saw this, yena uNgcobo besemuva kwakhe kancane, aphinde kube ngathi i-pair because they were trying to get the ball, ubone ukuthi kunzima. But isithemba ukuthi ku-second leg uzokwazi ukudlala kahle kakhulu. But-ke for me at the moment number 1 striker ku-Kaizer Chiefs uye umuntu bebefuna ama-solution, baba ney'nkinga babheke kuye ama-solution ukuthi okay, uMayo uzokwazi ukuqedela he will try and end lento lokuthi Kaizer Chiefs ayikore amagoli amaningi, given ama-opportunities of course ukuthi akore, cause udlalela i-contract. Udlalela i-contract, i-permanent contract, cause usase-loan. But simfisela inhlanhla overall. Sobona ukuthi njengoba ngithi mina crisis laphana ku-striking department, mhlampe khona bazongiprova wrong, but no, akusi-crisis. Kwazi bani ukuthi kuzovumbuka uMorris out of the blue ashaye 15 goals this season? Yeah, but I don't see Morris is not even making the match day squad. Ighodaro is 100% fit, already ukuthi adlale, kunini ngisho ukuthi is 100% fit bakwethu. Kaizer Chiefs management disappoint. Maybe they have to believe kuma-youngsters more, maybe they have to believe kuma-players amasha more, even kuma-different departments ukuthi lawo ma-players lawa akwazi ukusiza i-team overall, because bayawadinga ama-results. But-ke from manje abodlala neSwele, they landed back eSouth Africa, they are back. Bayodlala neSwele FC la bafuna khona uku-maintain, well not really uku-maintain because sebadliwe elikini, and then banama-draw against oMaZulu, so izinto azisahambi the way abaqale ngakhona iligi. But-ke they can still compete, they can still fight, isikhathi sisekhona ngempela ukuthi balwe laphana amajita akwazi ukuthola ama-results overall. Ngicela ukuyibamba la kwamanje bafethu. Danko, ngicela ningakhohlwa uku-like and subscribe. Simaking sure ukuthi le page lifika ku-15. In fact, asesogijimisa u-20,000 subscribers because ku-15 sofika maybe around December.